Hello students, I am Ashok Kumar, a teacher of English. Welcome you all on Rishikul Online School, the best platform for providing online education to students. Again, I welcome you. Students, this is module number 2 and in this module we shall discuss the topic packing. It has been written by Jerome K. Jerome and it has been taken from your book Beehive. So let's go to next slide and see. Students, in this slide we shall discuss the story of the chapter. So let's start. Jerome, Harris and George are three friends who are about to set out on a journey. The story begins with the important task of packing stuff for this journey. Jerome, the narrator, overestimates his packing skills and tells his friends to let him handle it all by himself. However, his real intention is to make George and Harris do the packing under his supervision and guidance. But his friends take his advice seriously and, to his great shock, stretch themselves comfortably, leaving him with all the running around. Though irritated with their attitude, Jerome straight away gets busy with packing. After a long drawn packing session, he finally straps up the bag. Students, rest of the story will be discussed in the next slide. So let's go to next slide and see. Students, in this slide we shall discuss the rest of the story. So let's discuss. Both his friends watch him quietly and when he is done with packing, Harris declares that the shoes have been left unpacked. The bag has to be reopened again to accommodate the shoes. An irritated Jerome is just done with packing the shoes when he is reminded of his toothbrush. Unsure about having packed his toothbrush, Jerome has to empty the bag and hunt through all its contents to locate the brush. After a lot of efforts, he finds the brush in one of the boots. Anyhow, the bag is packed again. Students, rest of the story will be discussed in the next slide. So let's go to next slide and see. Students, in this slide we shall discuss the rest of the story. So let's discuss. The next query comes from George regarding the soap. Jerome is so irritated by this time that he doesn't even bother about this query and straps up the bag. But the very next moment he has to unpack it again as he had packed in his spectacles by mistake. Eventually, it is past 10 when the packing is finally done. Students, the rest of the story will be discussed in the next module. So wait for the next module and see. Thank you. Have a nice day.